Welcome to Refrigerator Games.
Welcome to Refrigerator Games. We're going 1v1. I'm gonna beat this kid, my grandson. Open your mouth. Just go. We're going 1v1. I am shooting my ball of choice. Basketball. Oh, we're going 1v1 from the refrigerator. I'm gonna make these threes easy all day because I'm the best.
No, he's not. No, I'm the best.
Dude, I'm the best. There you go. The dog just ate your ball. I'm gonna win, Ram. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again.
No, you made it.
No. Oh. Okay, it's your turn again.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
That was a bad one. Last one.
Yes, my
Okay,
turn.
it's your turn again.
Here I go. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, Brutus. I can't shoot like this. Oh, here we go again. All right. You got 3 points. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, you're getting, I'm gonna beat you. Dang. Oh my. You ready? Are you gonna make it this time?
Yeah. All three.
Alright, let's go. Oh! Oh!
I hit a punch.
I'm fixing to win. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's your turn again. Ready? Try. Ah! Yeah! Ah! Good job. I'm gonna make it now.
Watch this. Nope.
Oh, off the rim. Come on, Brutus. Oh my God. Alright. See if you can make it now. For the game. At the buzzer. Yes, I'm gonna beat you. Oh, he punched. Yeah, you win. What do you got to say to your fans?
Let's go.
Daddy, what's the 11th of you, Mississippi?
Hey.
Happy birthday to me.
It ain't your birthday, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, you jumping on my new stuff?
Ow!
I'll beat you next time.
No, I'm the biggest.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And Danger Zone out. Peace.